So, what are the 3 ways to become successful in life? And if you're looking for different ways to make money and become successful, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dev Gadhvi and welcome to my channel. When I started my career, I had no idea about these 3 options. Today, I know that there are 3 options to become successful. Number 1 is get into the job, work really hard and get to the point where you become a senior management and you can make a lot of money, like Satya Nadella, right? And that's a one option. For sure, it takes many years to reach the place where you really want to get, where you have a lot of money, abundance and everything. That's number 1. Number 2 option is become an entrepreneur. Have a physical product or a software and a solution where you can actually go out and market your product. Now this is little complicated because to become an entrepreneur, to have a physical product or even a software, you need a lot of things. You need money, you need people, you need processes, you need distributors, you need to advertise them, you need to close those things. So it takes a lot of effort and time. People who are in middle class families, especially people who are born in middle class families like me, we don't have the liberty to have all those resources available at our disposal. So what is the third option? The third and the ultimate option, which I feel everybody can follow and become successful, is passionpreneur. Now when I coined this term, a lot of people did not even know what does it mean to become a passionpreneur. Who is a passionpreneur? Passionpreneur is someone who has built the business around passion. When I started my career, I started with the option 1 and I stayed in job for 16 years. It took me 16 years to reach a point where I was making 3.5 lakh. When I became a passionpreneur, in just 2 years, I made over 1 crore. Now I could have never made that kind of money in being in job. I did not need any capital. I did not need a lot of big team, no offices, no distributors. All me, my passion and social media. That's all it took to become a passionpreneur. Now, if you're watching this and if you want to learn how I quit my job and build my business around passion and made 1 crore, a guy like me, a truck driver's son, who did not know how to even speak in proper English, if I could do it, I think anybody can. So I invite you to a special masterclass which will show you a step-by-step formula, what I applied, how did I person to becoming India's highest paid influencer, a best-selling author and TEDx and Joe Stock speaker. So I'll share my secret. Leave your details below and tag 2 of your friends to get the link to watch that masterclass for absolutely free. Okay, I will see you in the next video then.